This is how you make a smoothie. Okay, first, the ingredients you need are milk, agave, fruits, a blender, and if you want to get fancy, coconut sauce. First step, pour in the fruits. Oh yeah. Okay, next, pour in the milk. Just like 3/4 of a cup of milk. That's good. Okay, now I'm gonna sweeten up with a little agave. Okay, I want to get fancy, so I'm just gonna put in a splash of coconut milk. Okay, always remember to put the lid on. It's time to blend. Sometimes you have to add a little milk if it's not blending right. It's almost done! Time to enjoy. Yummy. It's yummy. Yummy. That's really yummy. Okay, always remember to put the lid on. I'm gonna just leave enough little coffee.
I can't even understand what you're saying.
Now I'm gonna see if it was a little coffee. Alright, me. Okay, always remember to put the lid on when you're making this. Okay, always remember to put the lid on.